Let's look at the 10 businesses that never fails. These businesses are amazing. These businesses makes you earn daily money, but people don't necessarily venture into this business because it looks dirty most times, or because it don't really align with them, because most of us are always looking for a white collar job. The truth is that white collar job is good, but white collar job is just to meet your daily expense. It is just to satisfy you for the moment, but you need to earn every blessed day. So what are these amazing businesses that you need to begin to earn daily money, to build your life, to build your dream, even as a 9 to 5 worker, or as a stay-at-home mom, or as a student? Number one business on my list is the food stuff business. The food stuff business is an amazing business, and I grew up learning the food stuff business because my mom is a food stuff seller. I don't mean the eating one, I mean those raw food stuff like your melon, your ogbolo, your palm oil, your tomatoes, your rice, your garri, and those things. They are very lucrative business. My mom did this business. She did this business before she died, and she was able to acquire so many things. She acquired houses. She was able to use this business to build house in Lagos, and also to buy so many shops in Lagos. You know, in Lagos, after a government come, the government will build the shops like in the market area. After some years, they might choose to destroy it. It's just that they have destroyed it now, and so we don't have legal right again to those shops. She was also able to train us in school, which is me and my younger ones in school, with these food businesses. So you can start as a food seller, which is dealers in food businesses. You start small. You don't necessarily need to start big. Start with what you are. If it is $50 you have with you, you can start. If it is $70, start. $100, start. You don't need to start big. Start with what you have, and you grow with it. Because food stuff business, every blessed day we must eat. People must buy what they want to eat, and you ensure you are in a very lucrative place. Yes, a place whereby there are houses around you, a place whereby there are companies, their organization. That is a very lucrative atmosphere and environment that you should start your food stuff business. Number two on my list, because I need to be very fast, number two on my list is the food vending. Food vending has to do with the sales of cooked food. There is a woman, I've forgotten the name of the woman, that sells food, and it is recorded that she makes 2 billion every month. I will put the name of the woman in the comment section, and you can Google her name and check and research it out. She makes 2 million every month from the sales of cooked food. She sells all this local food like ewedu, amala, egufe, rice, and all those things, all those local food, Nigeria's local food. She sells it, and she has branches all over the state, and she's making money from it. And if you research about that woman, you will know that she started from scratch. She didn't started big. She started from scratch, and today she is selling very well because she knows how to sell, and because she knows her audience. She knows how to attract her clients. So you can choose that you want to sell food, and ensure that you are in a very lucrative environment where there are houses, where there are students, where there are organizations, companies are there, so you can sell fast and begin making your money. As time goes on, you can expand into a restaurant, but now you can do it as mama put. Yes, mama put. You start from there and you grow. Number 3 on my list, which is what businesses that never fail, is the construction and the building businesses. If you stay in a new site, yes, my grandma then, as at 3 or 4 years ago, we were staying in a new side, which is my sister's side. Then I newly put to bed. I noticed that my grandma was selling all those shovel, she was selling pan, she was selling leather, she was renting it out. Yes, in a day, depending on your environment, you can choose that you want to rent yours for $3 or $5, $10, depending. But ensure those new sites that you have people that are building houses. You can choose to also sell cement, to sell sand, depending on your capacity. Sell all those things and you make your daily money. You can rent it out if you choose that it is rented. Then my grandma, she deals on renting. She was renting all those shovel out, the pan, which is the pan for building, she was renting it out, all the cut glass, she was renting it out, and many other things she was doing as at then when we were still there. But now not there again, because then I put to bed, so I went to meet her to do some omugo before I came to my husband's place. So she was doing all those things and she was making money. So you can also choose to do those things and you make your money. Every blessed day, people must surely come that they want to rent ladder, they want to rent shovel, they want to buy granite, cement. You make your money. It may look dirty for you or to others, but you are cashing out big time from this business. And number 4 business is the waste management and recycling business. When I noticed about this business, I was wowed. There is a lady on Facebook that does this business. All those waste management, all those waste that we throw away, like clothing, like rubber, yes, like rubber, like nylons, like cans, all those things, they later recycle it and they make money from it. You can decide that yes, you want to do this business. Yours is that you might not necessarily be the one that is hunting for those plastics or for the liners or for the cans. You can employ all those mala, abokina, all those people that does those local people that does something like that. You can choose to employ them. Let them go and hunt for liner for use. Let them hunt for all those waste products for you, all those sachets of pure waters, sachets of Milos, all those things, all those waste products, anything waste, all those Bonvita liners, Bonvita cans, minerals cans, malt cans. People need it, company need it, organization need it. You can decide to employ people that does these things and they hunt it for you, and whereby they deliver it to you, you go to their factory, you go to their company and you sell these things. They make a lot of money from it and you are going to sell it millions of nairas, millions of dollars. They pay you for these things and you begin making your money. It might look dirty, but you are cashing out, you are making your money. And the amazing thing about this thing is that the money there is hot cake. I also know of one woman that does these things, and the woman has traveled out of the country. She traveled in and out of the country, and she's making it big in the online space. I'm going to leave names of those people that does these things, so you can check them out on Facebook or on Instagram and check them out that yes, I'm saying the truth here. I'm not just talking, okay? The number 5 business you can do is cleaning business. Cleaning business is also very lucrative business, and all this business you can start from scratch, or you can choose that you will not just be the one doing it. You are going to employ staff. If it's one person you want to start employing, you can employ it and they do it for you. They do the work for you and you pay them. Cleaning business is also a very lucrative business. You just need to start from scratch. You hunt for company, for organization that want to clean their churches, want to clean their event centers, want to clean their companies, as a contract to them that you will serve as a recruiter. You will recruit those cleaners that want to be working under them. You will recruit them, and before you know it, my dear, you are cashing out from this business. You don't need to waste time at all. Then number 6 business on my list is the cleaning and laundry business. The cleaning and laundry business is interesting because you just help all those 9 to 5 workers workers, those big ones that doesn't have time or the chances to wash their clothes, you serve as a person that is washing their clothes for them. They deliver their clothes for you on Saturdays or Sunday, you wash them. On Monday you can deliver it to them, depending on how you bargain with the clients or with the customer. There is some companies that have laundry all over the estate, all over full apartment, just like this room I'm staying. This is not even big enough. There are bigger places, full place, like when you go to Lekki, when you go to Ajah, like all those big places in Lagos, they does these services. You can see that laundry services, they will employ staff, but you can choose to start from scratch and you begin making your money. And number 7 on my list is the retail and essential sales of material. Retail selling of material, just like your toiletries, your rubbers, your plastics. There is money there, my dear, because we need to use toiletries, we need rubbers in our houses, we need plastics in our home. All these things, you shouldn't just waste time on it. You should start leveraging on those things because it makes you daily money. People need this every blessed day of their life. So go and start. Anyone that resonates with you, just pick one. You know me, someone that emphasize on picking one. Just pick one and run with it. Do not pick 2, do not pick 3. Pick one that resonates with you and dive into action. Number 8 on my list is the palm oil business. The palm oil business is a very lucrative business. Like when the palm oil is cheap, you ensure that you store it in your house. Yes, you buy it and you store it, you reserve it in your home. And when it got expensive, it is expensive, that is the time you need to sell, and that time you are making big amounts of money from it. Which the 10th one on my list is agriculture. You all know that agriculture is one thing you shouldn't miss. You might not necessarily be the person performing the work. Employ laborers to do the job for you, to plant the crops for you, and before you know it, my dear, you are earning, because agriculture never dies. Years to come, agriculture is still reigning. People are still living with agriculture, because agriculture is what provides food for us. So we need people to farm, and you can be the person that is venturing into agriculture, producing maize, producing corn, producing yam, cassava, producing melon, rice, and before you know it, my dear, you are making it. You don't need to have big amounts of money to start. Just as I said, you can start from scratch. Start with that $50 you have with you, $100 you have with you. If you are so lucky you also have $5,000, you can start and grow your business. The amazing thing and the money mindset you should have is that you should have a scalable mindset, that you can start from scratch, but you don't need to remain small. You must think about how to grow your business. And if you love this video, kindly like this video, share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. So tell me in the comment section which one of these 10 business you will venture into, and you need to start right away. Do not waste time, because delay is not good. Okay, so tell me in the comment section which one you will start. Okay, bye bye, and see you in my next video.